Hi, boys and girls. So today, we're going to find the perimeter of rectilinear figures that have unknown side lengths. As you know, when you find the perimeter, you add all the side measurements together. But what is rectilinear? A rectilinear figure is a plane figure or a shape whose sides meet at right angles. So for example, if I have a figure that looks much like this, this is an irregular figure, but it's also called a rectilinear figure because the two figures meet. Right here is a right angle, and right here is a right angle, okay? So it's called a rectilinear figure. So why is it important to find the perimeter of rectilinear figures? Well, again, in the real world, one day you might want to get a new kitchen floor, or you might want to lay some tile in your bathroom. You need to know just how much tile you need for the space. Okay? So let's go ahead and figure this out. Okay, here we have two rectilinear or irregular shapes with missing side lengths. Okay, let's take a closer look at this first one. Here I want to find the perimeter of this entire shape. I have my measurements for pretty much all my sides except for one. I'm missing the measurement for this side right here. So I want to go ahead and use what I know to find the missing or unknown side length. Okay? Well, I know my top measurement, the length of my top measurement here is 7 inches. I also know that down here it's 2 inches. I don't know what x is. All right? So I need to solve for x. I ask myself, 2 plus what will give me 7? Or I can say 7 minus 2 gives me what? I know 7 minus 2 is 5. So therefore, my missing or unknown side is 5 inches. Okay? Now that I have all my measurements, I can go ahead and add them all up to find the total perimeter of my rectilinear figure. So 7 plus 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4. Add them all up. I know 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. 19 plus 5 is 24. 24 plus another 4 is 8. It's 28. So my perimeter is 28. I'm going to say P equals 28, my unit of measurement, inches. Okay, 28 inches is my total perimeter. Let's go ahead and look at the next one. Same thing. I have my rectilinear figure here, but it's missing a measurement on one of its sides. What is the unknown side? I can't find the perimeter until I know what that is. So I go ahead and ask myself, I know this length right here is 8 feet, and I know this is 3 feet. I ask myself, 3 plus what will give me 8? Or I can say 8 minus 3 is what? I know 8 minus 3 is 5. So my missing side length must be 5 feet. Okay? Now that I have all my measurements, I can go ahead and add them all together to find the total perimeter of my figure. 10 plus 8 plus 3 plus 3 plus 7 plus 5. I know 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. 21 plus another 3 is 24. 24 plus 7 gives me 31. And 31 plus 5 is 36. Okay, so perimeter equals 36 feet. All right, and there you have it. You can now find the perimeter of rectilinear figures that have unknown side lengths.